Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate your WooCommerce store with ActiveCampaigns. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we are going to go and be opening up this main page. So from here at the left side of the screen, we can go and take a look at all the sections we can access, and one of them is going to be the plugin section. So this is what you want to open up. So go ahead and click on the plugin section. This is where we're going to go ahead and be using for managing our store and all the plugins we can use for a WooCommerce store. As you can see right here, we are going to be using the search bar right here at the top of the screen. You are going to go ahead and search for ActiveCampaigns and then go and hit enter. Once you search for ActiveCampaign, this is going to give you the result of all the extensions and plugins we can use. And as you can see, this is the first one right here, the ActiveCampaign official plugin, the autonomous marketing platform. So this is going to enable you to use it directly for your store by clicking the install button. That's going to appear right here. As you can see, this plugin is free on the business plan, so you are going to be getting 24/7 expert support if you install it, and you can go and set it up your store. So if you need any more help, just install it and open it up. And if you need to go ahead and get information on how to install it step by step, you can go ahead and contact customer support to go ahead and get started for your store and to set it up. And that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.